In a world where distractions are just a swipe away, have you ever wondered why some things capture our focus while others fade into the background? Imagine standing in a crowded room, voices swirling around you like leaves caught in a gust of wind. Yet amidst the chaos, one voice cuts through your best friend's laughter. It is warm and familiar, pulling you in like a magnet. What makes that sound so compelling? Today we will explore the fascinating determinants of attention in psychology and uncover what truly draws us in. Consider the Stanford Marshmallow Experiment conducted by psychologist Walter Mischel in the late 1960s. Children were given a choice, one marshmallow immediately or two if they could wait. This simple yet profound study revealed how self-control and the ability to delay gratification are crucial determinants of attention and focus. Mischel's book, The Marshmallow Test: Mastering Self-Control, dives deeper into how self-control impacts various life aspects, including academic success and emotional well-being. The implications are staggering. Those who exhibited patience often found themselves with better life outcomes, higher SAT scores, better health, and even more successful relationships. Additionally, Daniel Kahneman's Thinking Fast and Slow discusses cognitive biases that influence our attention and choices. Kahneman introduces us to two systems of thinking. System 1 operates automatically and quickly with little effort. System 2 allocates attention to the effortful mental activities that demand it. This duality links cognitive biases to broader psychological theories that shape our understanding of decision-making processes. For instance, when faced with overwhelming information online, like scrolling through endless social media feeds, our System 1 takes over. This leads us to make snap judgments rather than thoughtful decisions. An unexpected insight emerges. The ability to focus is not solely an innate trait but can be cultivated through practice. While many believe that attention span is fixed like an unyielding steel beam, research shows mindfulness practices can enhance concentration significantly. Mindfulness meditation encourages individuals to observe their thoughts without judgment. This skill translates directly into improved focus on tasks at hand. This challenges the assumption that we are powerless against distractions. Instead, we hold the keys to unlock our potential for sustained attention. Research indicates multitasking can reduce productivity by up to 40%. This statistic prompts reflection on modern life's relentless pace. Are we truly more productive with our divided attention? Or are we sacrificing depth for breadth in our experiences? In an age where notifications ping incessantly like alarm bells demanding immediate response, it becomes essential to question whether this constant connectivity enhances or hinders our ability to engage deeply with any single task. We often think multitasking dilutes our focus, leading to poorer performance across tasks. But what if brief distractions can actually enhance concentration? Consider productive procrastination. When we take short breaks to engage in unrelated tasks like scrolling through social media or doodling during meetings, activities often dismissed as time-wasting, we allow our brains a momentary reset from intense focus fatigue. This shift can lead not only to greater creativity but also renewed energy when returning to original tasks. Thus, distraction does not weaken our attention. It can be a catalyst for deeper engagement. Attention is like a spotlight on a stage, illuminating what we choose to see while casting shadows on everything else around us. In our quest for focus amid life's demands, are we missing out on beauty lurking just beyond our periphery? Imagine if every choice you made was influenced by unseen forces guiding your path forward. How does that shape your understanding of freedom? The intricate web of connections between thoughts, emotions, actions reveals profound truths about existence itself. As you reflect upon these ideas, consider this. Each moment spent distracted may hold hidden lessons waiting patiently for your awareness. A reminder that life unfolds not just within narrow beams of light, but also within vast expanses filled with possibility beyond sight's reach. Share your thoughts below because this conversation matters deeply. What resonates most profoundly within you today? How do these insights challenge or affirm your current understanding of attention's role in shaping reality?